Hey guys, I'm in the middle of putting together a MatterPort basics course.
And something else, if you don't want to get the access, if you act like the access, it'll have you turning and lining up with the dots. If you do that, you want it as close to you as you possible and just turning like this. You want the phone as centered as possible. Even if you're good at it, if you hold your phone in the center like this and only rotate the phone in this position, that'll give you the best quality photos, kind of like what the axis is doing. It's just sitting in this one spot, and if you can just turn yourself around that area, you won't need the access.
Course. If this is something you're interested in, you want to get down the nuts and bolts, how to set up your cameras, how to set up your tripods, the best tips and tricks to get through a house to create a great MatterPort tour. You want to make money as soon as possible, so I have plenty of tips in here all along the way. Great ideas, things you can do to start making money and build a brand. And of course, like, subscribe, follow, hit that bell notification. Talk to you guys soon.